Hello and welcome to Smart Student Canada. This is the only channel that provides relevant and practical information to students who want to study in Canada. How can students invest money in Canada? Number 1. Buy Canadian blue chip stocks. Despite the fact that I wouldn't advise you to buy and sell your way to wealth as a student stock trader, there are some firms you may invest in that are safe choices than others, especially when you consider their long-term history. Many of Canada's largest and most prosperous financial institutions are likely not going to go out of business anytime soon. In addition to the gain or decline, as the case may be, in the value of your purchased shares, such stocks also pay dividend, which is monthly or quarterly investments income you receive, which equals more money for you. Number 2. Invest in ETFs. The risk of trying to break the market by investing in specific companies or organizations has already been discussed. For the most part, the curated mutual fund offerings of Canadian professional fund managers do not outperform the market on a regular basis, despite taking on average about 2% of your investment earnings as payment for their services. Instead, use exchange-traded funds to aim to mirror the market's general performance, which allows you to optimize your profits by paying fewer costs. Management costs for several of the funds in our top 7 ETFs for young Canadian investors are below 0.1%. ETFs are a type of investment fund that holds all of the securities in a specific market or index. An S&P 500 ETF, for example, holds shares in the hundreds of firms from all industries listed on the S&P 500 index, offering a reasonable proxy for the US large cap equities market. ETFs that follows many various markets including Canadian equities, Canadian bonds, worldwide equities, etc. are a good way to diversify your investments and minimize your risk exposure. If one market momentarily fails, you will still hopefully enjoy profits in the other. Number 3. Sign up for a Roboadvisor. A Roboadvisor service such as Wealth Simple will construct an ETF portfolio for you based on your investing objectives and risk tolerance, allowing you to sit back and relax while your money grows. In order to make it easier to invest each month, you can even set up automatic transactions. In comparison to investing through a discount brokerage, using a Roboadvisor is more expensive but still less expensive than using a mutual fund. Number 4. Buy low-risk GICs. In contrast, a guaranteed income certificate (GIC) may be the best option if you want a guaranteed rate of return and don't want to worry about your investment losing value. Again, if you stick with the tried and true, you will miss out on the greater potential returns that come with more volatile assets. Even so, you will still make more money than you would in a standard bank account because of the interest you will be earning. With EQ Bank's 3-month GIC, for example, you can earn more than inflation and most high-invest savings accounts in the same period of time. Number 5. Look for fixed-rate bonds. First-time investors in Canada have long relied on Canada saving bonds because they may be acquired in modest amounts and get a high annual interest rate until the bond's maturity date. This is a popular investment choice. Canada savings bonds, on the other hand, fell out of favor when interest rates fell and were eventually cancelled. Community bonds issued by respectable non-profit organizations, charities, and co-ops may be a better option for investors today than government bonds since they offer a high rate of return. If you anticipate needing to assess your investment funds in the near future, bear in mind that you will need to hold on to your money in the bond for a minimum of 5 years in order to reap the benefits. If you want to know more about the percentage required to study in Canada or the fees required to study in Canada as an international student, visit our website. Kindly let us know the topics you would like us to cover in the following video, or if you have any queries. We will provide solution to all your questions in our next video. If you like this video or you want to keep watching similar videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications for a new video that we will be publishing on this channel. Also, let your friends and family members access helpful information by sharing this video. Best of luck and have an incredible journey.